Creating product photos with EA can be a powerful way to produce high quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Here are the general steps you can follow to create product photos using EA tools. So this is the homepage. All you have to do is dive into FlairAI. As you can see here, we have a various information like pricing here. So use Flair for free with your whole team. Upgrade to enable unlimited issues, enhanced security controls, and additional features. So here we have for free and forever. You can plan features up to 10 images per month, and we have up to 5 projects. I have also here colors and this text. As you can see, you can just read it to more understand about Flutter.ea. We have also here commercial license, and we have here can I get commercial license for my company. Do I lose my license if I cancel my plan? Can I get a license for past images and other questions? Then here you can just log in or get started, but before that, let's know other information. Like here we have the EA design tool for product photos, shoots, drag and drop to generate stunning product shoots in seconds. So to get started, all you have to do is click over here. Then we have also other information like make standout content with stunning templates. You can just select the niche here, furnitures, food also, and we have here touch sense digitally with drag and drop ropes and bring it to life with EA. And we have your mix and match product with templates. Here we have this design concepts that convert customers with one click build reusable templates at scale, and other information here like build select shoots faster than ever. Also we have here fashion photo shoots, illustrate, collaborate, and here how it looks the homepage, but remove background, magic erase, upscale image, replace products, make variations, scale your design with APA, and we have here the last one is design with Flair. So to use Flair.ea, a platform for creating branded content, you can follow these steps. First of all, you have to sign up, then you create project, then you upload brand assets, then design with EA, and then review and edit, then download and use, then additional features, and the last step is support and resources. So Flare.ea, let's know what is Flare.ea. Is a AI-powered platform focused on streamline and announcing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So let's click over here to get started. So you can just use your Google or use your email, and this is my account. As you can see, we have here a various things like workflows here, beauty, fashion, food, furniture, CPG, staging, and other things as you can see. So to build your project, all you have to do is click over create fashion project, and then this is how it looks. First step is you upload product photos. Sorry, you have upload suppression to get more real-time quota here, and then you upload product photo. As you can see, it's the first step. Then all you can just select the one you want here. Then we have the second step is generate. So I allow container and an aluminum can with a yellow flour and cherries and ice cream in front of a golden, brown and yellow background. So you can just click over here and generate, have your templates, view all here, and you have prompt builder, but settings of your photo. First we have edit the prompt off in the form below, so you write your name of product, then we have here parallel and surrounded plasma, surrounded background and custom. Then we have here with next to surrounded by, and right here. Then we have background here if off or against or with, and you write here also number of results. You can select 1, 2, 3 or 4. Reference image here, correct color. You can just switch on or switch off, and render straight, close strength, outline strength. You can select default here. Default also here strong, extra strong, weak, or no one, and it's the same with render strength. So the third one is upload custom prompt. So you can choose the fruit or other chunks or other niche because I choose this one. So we need this fruit. And the fourth one is you can just select here female scandal and beauty models or casual models, male models, hands holding smaller products and hands. And the last one is you can tools and you can edit image, remove background, magic erase, upscale creative, image variation, color, and you select no one here or full color or change your color also here. As you can see the price suffix here and some here as you can see, and then we have the pages, GBG or format. Then finally you download your image and start sell your product by using Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Pinterest. So you can just use social media to sell your product. And here we have upload in the first one here. So how we can upload this one, and here we have upload custom prompt and we have upload product photo. So I advise you to use canva.com. It's free and you can sign up easily and without problem. So this is the home page here, my account. So we click over customers, custom size, and we click over presentation here. As you can see here we have some settings. So first of all you will select your search about product. Sorry, you have design elements, text, print, uploads, draw, projects, and apps also. So about position here we have layers, arrange, overlapping, and other things. And you have also here background color. Then we have your page, you can add page, you have your presenter notes, duration, timer. You can also add comment. You can zoom here. You have your quick actions and you have your grid view, present full screen, and finally you share your image or your image product actually. Then you add, then you have to download it and upload product photo, also upload custom prop. So FlairAI represents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing by integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes. It enables businesses to enhance efficiency, gain deeper insights into their audience, and produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms how businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.